What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video of me sitting in a car waiting for my daughter to finish dance class and giving you tips. And today I am actually doing a recommendation from one of you. You mentioned, hey Ryan, I like these videos. How do you make it look so natural? Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm going to give you 3 of my personal tips to help you if you're interested in sharing your thoughts and starting a conversation and adding value on this wonderful platform, which hopefully you are. So let's get into it. So the first one is this. I'm looking at you. The first one is probably the hardest one, is when you are recording the videos, you have to make it look like you're looking at the person. You have to be talking like you are talking to another person on the end of this camera. Now it's challenging because as I'm doing this, I'm looking at myself. This is a selfie video on my phone, so I'm seeing myself right now, but I am really kind of imagining that is a face of someone else, and I'm trying to make eye contact and focus with them and have an engaging conversation. So you have to use a little bit of imagination, but remember that when you're talking to another person. And that leads to my second tip. My second tip is imagining, once again, imagine that you are sitting in front of someone and you are having a conversation with them. Now, the reason why I mention this is because whenever we hit the record button, for whatever reason, we feel like we have to be perfect. But if you want to make authentic videos, perfect is not authentic, right? Perfect is just not reality. And so in order to make authentic videos, you're going to talk like you would if the person is in the room with you, like sitting in front of you having coffee, or at home with your spouse or something like that. You don't talk to them and say, oh, you know what, let me start over. And then you start talking, you're like, oh, that didn't sound right. I'm going to start over. I'm going to say it again. And you just keep doing that over and over again until you get it perfect. No, that's not how we talk. And so this is not scripted. This is me talking a lot, blah, 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 blah. But this is also the real me. And this is how I would talk to you if I was sitting in front of you right now, which I kind of am. So that's the second tip. Imagine yourself actually talking to someone in the real world in front of you right now. And the third and final tip is to just do it. It's so hard to click that record button. It's very awkward to see my face all the time. Still is after a decade of doing this, based on my career alone, it still is very awkward, but you just have to start doing it. If you kind of have the foundation of, not being scripted, and you have the foundation of knowing that you're making this like you would talk to someone in person, and you're trying to make sure that authentic self of you, that energy, that idea, that passion that you have that you want to get out is coming across like it would if you were talking to that person in person, like all of that will kind of come together and help you feel more comfortable. But you've got to hit the record button. You got to press go. And this is not a tip that I can say it's 100% from me. I've heard this tip from a lot of people that I look up to over the years. Hit the damn button, just press record. People have emphasized this over and over and over again, and that's resonated with me because the more you do it, the more comfortable you will get. So hopefully these 3 tips help you if you watching this are interested in recording a video or working with someone in marketing that is looking to be the face or the voice of a specific campaign or task or whatever, or training session or something, that you can kind of instill these tips with them and help them feel more at ease when they're recording these videos. Thank you for watching. As always, let me know if you have any tips on making videos like this. Would love to hear that. And also if you agree or disagree, because it's okay. We're all people. We can have conversations. We cannot get along, but we can still get along.